All right. So next up, Tesla. Tesla is preparing to launch a full self-driving subscription. This is interesting. A monthly fee. I read this headline and I thought to myself, wait a second. Wasn't that part of the deal when you bought the car? That it once the full self-driving rolled out as an update, but not owning a Tesla myself, that was early day stuff. A lot of people are not buying this option now on their cars. It could be like an $8,000 option, the full self-driving, and they can't do it yet. So they might be thinking, why do I want to spend $8,000 on the full self-driving?
Yeah.
So this could be a way to get more people involved in it. Of course, it's kind of speculation, I believe, even though the headline doesn't make it seem like it's speculation. I believe it is speculation. Oh, never mind. Yeah, Elon Musk confirmed Tesla planned to release such an option toward the end of the year. With full self-driving packages priced back into focus as Tesla reintroduced an enhanced autopilot package. So enhanced autopilot is $4,000. Full self-driving is $8,000. So it's obviously cost prohibitive for some people. They're just saying, I'm not going to add that right now. It's just too much money. So this would alleviate some of that. And it also would satisfy some of the users, some of the drivers who have a lease. It would be weird to put 8Gs into full self-driving. You're not even going to have the car forever. You might have a 3-year lease, 2-year lease. I don't know what you have. So you could have the subscription during the period of time of the lease. Now, the subscription would have to be expensive. This ain't going to be $5 a month.
No.
It's going to have to be like $100 a month, probably.
Yeah.
Something in that neighborhood.
Yeah.
But still, for someone who's financing a car or leasing a car, that's a big improvement over paying it all up front. However, most places still don't have any kind of full self-driving, so it still remains to be seen whether, like, how useful that subscription will be to you. But Tesla does have a pretty strict. They're at least saying they have a huge commitment, I should say, to rolling out more self-driving features quickly. Elon's been saying it for a while. They actually put a deadline on enhanced autopilot. What are they saying the deadline is? Let's see here. Was it just... Oh, here we go. We noted it was an opportunistic move. Tesla has confirmed in a new email to customers they have until September 30th, which is the end of the quarter, to order it. But that's not their self-driving deadline, is it? Anyway, the point being is they've been getting more aggressive about saying, no, it's really going to happen, because they've been selling it for a long time, but it hasn't actually been a thing that people could use, the full deal.
I'm just really, I'm still kind of like, it's like, wow, it's just full self-driving, and then it's just an update, and then that's it.
Well,
you know, it's nothing to do with hardware or anything. It's just like a software update.
And then you're full self-driving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's crazy stuff to this day, man. I mean, just the idea of everything that's involved from a technological perspective, from the hardware to the software to the advanced learning and all. And I mean, it is an incredibly complex task to be making all those decisions, split second type of stuff. I'm real curious to see as these features roll out to more users. How it all. Hopefully, it all goes well.
Yeah, it's all software at this point.
Hopefully, it all goes well.
Yeah.
Hopefully, it all goes well.